got to see this. See these? These look like awesome things. Man, I wish I could do this someday. You should see them. Okay, there's some over there near downtown. Some big ones over here. And this spot, there's some over there.
Perros asustados.
Huh? Yeah! Oh, we got ourselves a cherry bomb.
Cherry bomb, cracker bomb, cherry bomb.
Quiet.
Cracker bomb.
So annoying, especially on Independence Day. Over there, you guys see some over here. You can see some over here.